On February 9th, 2025, officers were dispatched to a trailer park in response to a reported altercation between neighbors.
What happened from the beginning? It's been going on for 3 days. She's been unhooking up my water hose. I've been, actually, matter of fact, I've had my parents checking on my camper because I had to go to Bainbridge in my hometown. I just recently moved here. So I've let the landlord know that, you know, she's been cutting on and off of water. She said, well, I need you to get proof. So what I did,
so she's not your landlord?
No, this lady's not.
And that's the lady that we're talking about?
That's the one that just put her hands on me in front of my kids, pushed my kids out the way.
Okay.
She cut the whole main water line. None of these houses have water supply. She cut me with the scissors there, and she choked me. She pulled my shirt like this, so I don't know if I got any marks on my back or not. But she, like I say, I had to plug my water hose back up, because that's the landlord out there, is Miss Tina.
Okay.
I'm just the property manager.
Oh,
I have
property
no idea what's going on between you.
Okay.
I've been sending you text messages of her cutting the water
Yeah,
off.
but I don't see it, so I don't know.
I live right here in the
I don't
church.
witness it, so I don't know. They've lived here for like a month and a half.
No, we haven't.
I'm going to speak with her.
We've never had
if you
any
could stay back
issues,
over there
is
for
all
me.
I'm saying.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to speak with her, and then I'll speak with you.
No problem.
Okay.
So what I was doing is, like I said, I was getting her on video of her undoing my water hose and was going to send it to her because I got text message proving where we've been letting her know about the water being cut off.
Okay.
Like I say, I was laying under that tent. She come out her door and I was videoing her the whole time I'm doing my water.
Did she cut that? Or
Yeah, okay, at first, what happened, like I say, she undone it, she went and got in the car. I have a video of her unhooking it, throwing it over there, cussing and raising hell. So I come back over here and was going to hook it up. And when I did, she come out the door, or no, I'm sorry, she was in her car at this time. She come out and she said, I told you not to touch my fucking water hose, you bitch. Like I said, I got everything on record. She come over here straight for me, grabbed me by the shirt and said, I told you not to touch my fucking shit again, bitch. And that's when she snatched me and choked me. Then she went inside and said, I got y'all, I got y'all. And she went inside and grabbed scissors. Well, then when she come back out, my 3 kids were standing right here. They're always with me. She pushed one of my kids out the way. Then she come over here with the scissors as I'm holding my water hose trying to put it on there to get us water. She cut the whole damn thing, and none of these houses have water now. Wow. And when she did it, she cut me in the position of doing that.
This is the moment where things shift from a civil dispute into potential criminal territory. The reporting party isn't just talking about property damage anymore. She's alleging physical violence, choking, being cut with scissors, and most critically, her children being shoved during the confrontation. From a legal standpoint, that last detail is massive. Anytime minors are involved, law enforcement has a much lower threshold for escalation. Even if the original conflict was over shared utilities or property access, once physical contact is alleged, especially in front of children, officers are no longer mediating a neighbor dispute. They're investigating crimes. So here's the question for you watching. At this point, do you believe this is a misunderstanding fueled by stress? Or does this sound like something that crossed a line long before police arrived?
she's your landlord?
No, that's I guess that's who's been taking my money, so I don't know who she is.
So who was the lady that?
Just a random neighbor.
Just a random neighbor. This is her house. Her name's Kathy. I don't know her last name. I gave when I called y'all and she realized I was on the phone with y'all, she left. I gave her the deputy or whoever I was on the phone with the tag number, and then she about ran over.
Really?
Yeah. But
Which one's her hose?
Which one's her hose? The yellow one. And this green one's mine.
Okay. Okay. So what do you got as of what she just said?
Battery. Criminal mischief. I mean, if she tried to run her over, wouldn't that be 460?
I mean, if she was getting in front of her trying to stop her, we can't really do anything. We are gonna have another charge because she battered somebody else.
Listen closely here, because this is where the legal framework starts snapping into place. Officers are actively identifying potential charges: battery, criminal mischief, and then something even more serious involving a child. It's important to understand that police don't need to decide guilt on the spot. Their job is to determine whether probable cause exists based on statements, physical evidence, and admissions. And what's critical here is that both sides are talking a lot. Every statement, every emotional reaction, every admission of contact matters. Even saying, "I shoved her," can legally establish battery, regardless of intent. This is where emotions hurt cases. If you were in this situation, would you keep talking? Or would you stop and ask for a lawyer?
Yep, child.
Child abuse.
Another time we was going out of town, she unplugged my camper. So I had to pay $300
Do you know
worth of
her
groceries.
name? Do you know her full?
All I know is Kathy. That's all I know. And like I say, that's who I've been paying the money to is Miss Tina. And I've been told she was the landlord here. But there's Sonny and Charlie too, so I don't know. I've never
Does anybody else live over there?
No, just her as far as I know.
Did you at all like push her back?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Right,
Like
okay.
I say, my kids were right there and they were freaking out, and I just, you know,
Yeah.
shoved her and told her
Was
to
she
get
gonna
away
have
from
like?
me.
Did you hit her? Did like she
No,
have any
ma'am, I
marks?
didn't hit her. No, ma'am.
Okay.
I just
in
like I
case
say,
you
I
do make
shoved her.
contact and she has marks on her, just so we can say, okay, well,
No, ma'am,
this is
I
how she
didn't put
got
no
it.
mark. I wanted to. I'm gonna be honest. I wanted to punch her dead in her face, but I didn't.
Okay.
So when she tried to run you over,
I was on the phone with the actual
were you
person.
in front of her car or?
No, sir, I was behind it, and she usually parks right here, and I was trying to get it before she left, and she just gassed on it. I mean, you can hear in the video where she gassed on it.
Like gassed on and trying to leave?
Yeah, like trying to just get out of here.
Okay.
And like I say, I have everything right here. I mean,
Go ahead and get her info and then we can watch that. And you're in this tent
yeah,
at this
I'm
point?
right under here, under the tent. I can show you exactly where I'm at.
Do you mind if I touch?
No, you're good. I'm shaking, so you're...
Touch my goddamn. Your goddamn water is right the there. Put your hands on me. You understand that? I'm gonna tell you something. You better get your hands off me. Off my goddamn. Get your hands off me. I'm tired of that. Tear my goddamn shit.
I don't know who you are or anything like that.
I'm just a property manager. All I do is collect the rent. I've
Right.
not had any problems with her per se, but I know that since these ones moved in here about a month and a half ago, or what, maybe, I think it was about a month and a half ago, 2 months at the most.
Well, I will say
There's
she
been
is the
nothing but
one.
problems.
Well, I will say, watching the video, she has video footage. She's the one who started this whole thing.
This is a pivotal moment. The deputy directly acknowledges that video footage appears to show who initiated the confrontation. In legal cases, especially neighbor disputes with conflicting stories, video evidence often becomes the deciding factor. It removes emotion, removes interpretation, and replaces it with observable facts. Notice how the tone changes once the officer confirms what the video shows. Credibility begins to shift. This isn't about who's louder or angrier anymore. It's about what can be proven. And that's a harsh reality for anyone who believes their version of events alone will carry the day. Do you think people act differently once they realize they've been recorded? Or is the damage already done by then?
Hey, well, but hey.
You know, I mean, I'm just letting you know, just so you're not blaming them.
No, I'm not blaming
You know,
them.
okay.
I just know that since they've moved,
Right.
that they've had problems.
Right. I appreciate you.
Did you watch all of them? You
Yeah,
needed?
do you mind? There's 2 in there I want, especially the last one. I scrolled if that was okay to watch them.
No, you're fine.
The last one I definitely want, because that shows her coming up to you and pushing.
Like I say, as bad as I wanted to put my hands on
I mean, I
all
can
did
see you
was-
kind of like do
Yeah,
like
I
that.
just shoved her.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't want to get in no trouble because I've been trying to avoid this.
No, and I even told whoever that chick is, I'm like, look, I watched the video footage. She's not the issue. It's you know
Yeah,
her.
I mean, like I say, I don't even know if I have marks around my neck. I know it's burning really bad.
So you
But
said she choked you?
yeah, she
you mind
choked
if
me
I
first,
look?
and then like she grabbed me by my shirt and choked me with my shirt.
She is up the street, the third trailer with her little beetle. She's sitting right there. I said,
like here.
Yeah, yeah. I said, do you want me to go tell them that you're here? She said, yeah, go tell them I'm here. And I said, well,
Oh,
okay.
we'll be right back. She's right up the road. We're gonna go get her real quick before she goes anywhere, and we'll be right back. Okay.
That's fine.
Hello.
I thought she knew I was down here.
Oh no, I mean, we
This
didn't
is
know.
what, I don't know what the heck these people, anyway, it started over, he stole a pellet rifle and a scope. Okay, that's over with. Now it's like, and I told him, I said, my shit is not your shit program, okay? Don't be around my feet. Don't touch my stuff. But anyway, about the water, I'm trying to undo, okay, when they first moved the camper in, they didn't have long enough water hose to hook up to their side. And I told them that where the Jamaican has a water hose. Anyway, there's a 2-way over there. That's their side. And everything, you see that long piece right there? That's all my contraption right there. And it's been there for, April will be 12 years. All my water system has been set up like that. And I just tell them, don't be around me, don't be around my gate, don't mess with me, okay? And I tell them, you have to be on the 2-way. Just go. It's a matter of going to Walmart and buying a 2-way or getting a 2-way. Undo the Jamaican's outside water hose, hook theirs back up, and then hook theirs up. why do you guys keep on leaving me without water? Because they're doing it because they're playing these kid games, and I'm not about it. I'm supposed to be without water for them. You see what I'm saying? It's just like, oh, well, screw you, you're going without water. And they're doing it just for kid games, Everybody's wondering whether their kids were in school or whatever, you know.
I was trying to figure out how to
And
prosecute
it was
the
matter
damage to the house.
everybody gonna call DHR on it because those kids don't go to school. They ain't been to school since they've been in here.
So how the blue hose
Oh well,
get?
I guess she called her husband in, and
There's no male over there.
the one in that van right there.
That's
The
her
one-
husband?
Yeah, that's her husband. Anyway, he comes up not towards this way where I can see him coming. He come up the back way, and that's when you see him reaching. Well, no, you don't see him because she got the camera or whatever she's doing with her phone. I don't care. I don't have to lie about it. You just been doing this ever since.
I'm asking what happened to the blue hose.
He broke it.
He
He
broke
reached down there. Look, I'm trying to get my shit. I got a hold of it, and she won't let go. That's why she's got me down on my back. I couldn't get up with her being on my back anyway. I'm trying to take all mine off it. Just let go of it.
So how did he break the blue
Anyway,
hose?
he come up behind her and reached down there and took that mother and went just like that to rip that out of my hand so I couldn't undo. Just let me undo all my shit.
It's not broke though, it's cut.
No, well, no, it cut. That wire cut it. That hay wire, he did. He reached down there and he snatched that thing up.
So you didn't cut it with your scissors.
I didn't. The scissors is down in the ground, honey.
It's my turn, okay?
I haven't done anything wrong. They just keep on and on and on and on. Why do you keep coming and messing with me and my shit?
So let me talk now, okay?
But as far as
Hold on, I'll let you talk. Let me talk now, okay? Don't get agitated with what I'm about to ask you. Just know that there's proof with what I'm about to ask you, and that's why I had to read your rights, okay? She's recording you. You come over there as she's bent down, and you push her out of the way.
Yeah, because I'm trying to just get all mine, just get off my stuff because they're burning my water pump out.
Okay.
This right here is the legal turning point. When the woman admits on camera that she pushed the other party, the deputy immediately clarifies what that means. Battery. Intent doesn't erase the action. Frustration doesn't negate the law. Even if someone feels provoked, physically putting hands on another person can instantly flip the legal narrative. This is why officers repeatedly tell people not to handle it themselves. Once you do, you lose the protection of being the victim and risk becoming the defendant. And from here, the situation only worsens with allegations involving a child. Watching this, ask yourself honestly, if you felt pushed to your limit, would you have walked away or reacted the same way?
Okay, so you just admitted to that. All right.
Yeah,
so
when I reached down there, yeah, because she's
I understand, but that's battery. And she
But
said
she's
you
pushing me too.
exactly because you came over there and you pushed her. Okay.
So
Hold on. I understand you're irritated. And then two.
they ain't got no
hold
business out
on.
there doing it.
Hold on.
This is like the
But
fourth
the thing
time
is-
they
but
run
the thing
down my
is-
water today.
Well, then why didn't you call us?
You know,
Call
and
us.
You hear me telling them to call the wall.
Okay, don't go over there and handle your stuff because now you've already committed battery and you just admitted to it. Okay, you see what I'm saying? When you could have just got irritated, went inside and called us, and we could have came out here and handled it, and you wouldn't be in trouble. Okay. Now here's my second question. Okay, I see you walk back into your house. You kind of like walk back, and then apparently you come back out or something like that. Her kids were out there, you know, watching the whole thing, whatever, because they're around her, because that's the mom or whatever. Okay, you pushed the older kid
No,
out
I
of the
didn't
way.
touch that kid.
You didn't touch the
No,
kid?
I did not.
Did you like brush him?
No, I did
when you were
not.
coming or anything?
Nope.
Okay. Did you touch
think-
any of the kids?
No, I did not, and that's a lie.
Kids saying you did.
Well, he's a liar.
Okay.
Like I swear on my grandbaby, Lord, take him out. I don't have no reason to touch her kids.
Okay. So the only thing you admit to doing, you do admit pushing her.
Yeah, I'm
Right.
trying to get her out of the way. So
Okay.
I said, damn, just let me undo my shit. And I went down there, and she's got her arm in that, whatever, that camera, whatever. She's trying to hold her phone.
How old are you?
I'm too old to be playing her game.
How old are you?
56.
56. Okay.
But let me tell you something. I'm saying what.
All right,
And I
talk to
keep
him.
telling
I'll be
you,
right
y'all quit messing with me.
When she sliced the water hose, she got me there.
Okay.
She's got to scratch me right here, and that's another piece of the
Okay. Were you like, did you put your hand down there trying to prevent
No,
her from doing it?
I was holding my hose there,
Okay.
and that's when she reached down and just sliced the hose.
The hose that was in your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
The blue one?
Yes, ma'am.
So you're like the property manager? Okay. All right. So I'm going to be straight with you. This is between me and you talking, all right?
At this stage, the decision is effectively made. Based on visible injuries, video evidence, witness statements, and direct admissions, the deputy lays it out clearly. Aggravated battery and child abuse charges are moving forward. This isn't retaliation, favoritism, or opinion. This is procedure. When officers have probable cause supported by evidence, they're legally obligated to act. What's especially important here is that the reporting party declining to press charges doesn't stop the arrest. These are state charges, and the state can proceed regardless. This is often misunderstood by the public. So here's the big takeaway. Once law enforcement determines a crime occurred, control of the case shifts out of everyone's hands.
Me and you. She's going to jail for aggravated battery because she does have cuts on her fingers, not from like nails, it's from from scissors. She's also going to go to jail for child abuse because she did push the child. It's up to you. Obviously, he said you didn't want to press charges.
Not for the hose thing.
Okay. I just wanted to run it by you because, I mean, she's going to jail anyways, so I still wanted to just...
I just would rather keep us out of it.
Okay, that's fine. Do you mind signing...
all them.
Do you mind signing a piece of paper just saying you don't want to prosecute? Yeah. Is that okay? All right, let me get it for you real quick.
You seen the video?
Yes, ma'am. All right, what's your name? Is Kathleen?
Yeah.
All right,
But my
Deputy,
thing is,
hold on. It's my turn to talk. I've let you talk this whole time.
Can I tell you my son going to jail? Okay, that's wrong.
Okay, hold on.
That's wrong.
Deputy Hall is going to sit here and talk to you for a second.
You're wrong for
Go ahead.
They're wrong for years.
All right, you're being placed under arrest right now.
Okay,
You can just cut from the front. Just cut from the front.
Well, this is wrong.
Did you say 420? Okay.
I'm middle of, I'm all about off my marriage, so go to the hospital. But they wrong for that, and Tina and them's wrong for letting it go down.
Sure. Well, they're not prosecuting for
Girl,
the
I ain't
hose.
touch that girl. I don't know
Look.
what you looking at on it. But that's
Do you want to make a phone call
Am I gonna get bail
tomorrow?
Why?
Because you gotta go. You going to jail for child abuse,
That ain't gonna go with me
and
now.
aggravated battery.
No, that's this shit right there. She a fucking liar.
All right. Well, you can go to court about that.
But she a
Do you-
motherfucking liar on that.
Do you
I
want to
shoulda
call?
hit her.
Do you want to call somebody?
Yeah, okay, if you don't
Okay.
mind, thank
All
you. Did you see me hit that kid on that camera? I'm looking at you because you
I'm
guys
just
can't
saying.
even say these mother. Well, then I'm going to press charges on them for them having their legs and knees all over me.
She was defending herself.
No, she wasn't.
I'm letting you call somebody, or I can take the phone away and just put you in my
She
car.
wasn't defending herself, and neither was her husband. Hey, well, I guess I'll be in jail for the night for these can't get rights down here. Well, that's where I'm going. What was the charge now? This is stupid down here. What'd you say it was?
Child abuse.
Go ahead and laugh, because I'm a mental motherfucker.
I understand
stupid
you're
right
irritated.
now.
I understand you're irritated.
I should have.
Hey, I gotta go off what I got, and I'm not holding you against anything. I just gotta go what's presented to me.
What was it now?
This case began as a dispute over a water hose, but it ended with an arrest for child abuse and aggravated battery. The final outcome hinged on three things: video evidence, admissions made during questioning, and the involvement of children in the confrontation. No matter how justified someone may feel in the moment, physical escalation carries serious legal consequences. The broader lesson here is simple but powerful. Document, report, and step away. Let authorities handle it before emotions turn into charges that follow you for life. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and police encounter breakdowns.